Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to stop store in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to click on the setting button. Just simply click here. So now here you can see the store details are here, but what we need to do, just you have to move on the plan option, and here you can see the deactivate store option is here. So simply if you cancel the subscription and deactivate store, so simply type the next reason here. So select any reason and then click on continue. So in this way, after clicking on continue, you can click on deactivate. So in this way you can easily stop your Shopify store.